Hi there, I'm Jeff Walters with Subaru of America, and I'm here at the Tree Line in beautiful Colorado to reveal an exciting new vehicle from Subaru that's going to make it even easier to get to amazing places just like this. Our Subaru owners, they love adventure and the outdoors. They would love being right here, and it's sure easy to see why. It's also why we work so hard to protect the environment. Places like this and all of our national parks. So, before I share our big news, let's take a look at the special connection Subaru and our owners have with the great outdoors.
There are special places that stay in our minds. Places that hold lasting memories. The national parks. Their timeless beauty captures our imagination. And awakens our spirit of adventure. If you visit them, you will certainly see a Subaru there. Our owners love the national parks, so we work hard to preserve them. We first partnered in support of the parks over 20 years ago to help educate visitors on reducing their environmental impact through our Leave No Trace partnership. Subaru went on to become a premier sponsor of the National Park Service Centennial Celebration. And now Subaru is the largest corporate supporter of the National Park Foundation and has provided over $68 million to organizations working to preserve our parks, to help fund efforts such as recycling, composting, and waste reduction operations. To help protect the parks for future generations of visitors, Subaru has also donated funds and shared our zero landfill expertise with pilot parks through our Don't Feed the Landfills initiative. Subaru, our retailers, and our owners have a long, proud history with the national parks because of our commitment to preserving these places and a shared passion for adventure, wherever adventure takes us. The road to adventure is not always paved or clearly marked on a map. Out here, adventure hides, far from civilization, daring you to follow it off the grid. And the road to get there? It can be harsh and unforgiving, taking you to places few are willing to go, to the place where adventure lives. The wilderness. This vast and wild frontier. We have always been drawn to places like this. Places that have yet to be tamed. A wilderness that's still full of possibility and wonder. But life out here, high above the tree line, can be dangerous. An unforgiving world for those who lack the tools or the skills to navigate it. Those who thrive out here are built to handle the difficult terrain. They have adapted to maneuver over almost anything, finding their footing on nearly every surface imaginable. This wild land, it calls to Subaru owners who are ready to see it for themselves. And Subaru is giving them the ability to discover it in our most capable vehicle yet.
Wow, that was fun. That was a lot of fun. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the all-new 2022 Subaru Outback Wilderness. This Outback Wilderness, it's our most capable Subaru Outback ever. It includes more ground clearance, an all-new rugged exterior, and even more capability designed to take you farther than ever before. There's a lot to see and do with this new Outback Wilderness. Let's take a look.
For some, adventure is a higher calling, the path not yet taken. For those ready to answer, we've built an all-new kind of Subaru, the Outback Wilderness. Ground clearance is elevated to 9.5 inches to help take harsh terrain in stride. That beats the Toyota RAV4 TRD. The 260 horsepower turbocharged Subaru Boxer engine is paired with new revised gear ratios to climb grades up to 40%. The all-new front and rear bumpers are designed to improve approach and departure angles on steep terrain. An advanced new dual-function X mode redefines sure-footed tenacity in a variety of adverse conditions and speeds. Standard EyeSight driver assist technology and other safety features have been retuned to match the new vehicle height and off-road capabilities. Bold new matte finish wheels are wrapped in all-terrain Yokohama Geolandar tires for improved performance on mud, snow, gravel, and rocks. The spacious interior is our most technologically advanced ever, with an 11.6-inch touchscreen, water-repellent StarTech seats, and more passenger room than the Honda CR-V or Toyota RAV4. Exterior body cladding helps protect your Outback from the terrain and the elements. A glare-reducing matte black hood, anodized copper finish accents, and black finish trim add style to your adventure. This is our most adventurous Subaru ever. Discover more in the all-new 2022 Subaru Outback Wilderness, the first of our Wilderness family.
This all-new Subaru Outback Wilderness, it is really something special. Whether you're in the snow, the dirt, the mud, in the woods, or here on a mountain, this new Outback is going to be right at home. Now I invite you to go to Subaru.com to learn even more. And contact your local Subaru retailer to find out how you can reserve one today. And now, before I have to head back to the office, you know what? I'm not going to waste this chance to have a little bit more fun. Thanks for coming.